Hello friends, good morning. So today we are going to do programming in mold. This is our mold, full mold assembly as well as okay. So we will try to do full assembly programming. I don't need to. We are not going to do a single part of the programming. Okay. So how can we do it? This is our assembly navigator. You can see here. Okay. So first what part is available at this time. Okay, so this is, I think this is our first part, we can do it. Okay, so this part. Okay, now then below all parts we will need to just hide. Okay, so we will hide it all. Just hide and display is the process of full mold assembly programming. Okay, so we will hide all part. You can see here, as well as possible we will hide everything. I just need one part. Okay, you can see mold design. So this is our first part, you can see here. Okay, so I am doing first program of this part. So we will come in, first we will define the application. I will come in modeling. Okay, so first I will define the bonding body. Okay, so more bonding body. Okay, I will select full all this part, then click OK, and then cancel. Okay, now what I have to do, I will come in application, in manufacturing field, or this side I will come. There is nothing you can see here, so I will create geometry. Create geometry, or create geometry, that means I want, this is mill plan. Okay, no problem. This is MCS. I will try to create MCS. Okay, in geometry. So machine coordinate center, this is okay. So then okay, or I will come to invert this option, this space click. This is the XY block center. You can see here automatic plane. I am using 120 mm. Okay, tool axis will come on the Z axis. Okay, this is okay. Then okay, we can done. So our work plane has been completed. Now we will come in geometry. I want to create workpiece. Okay, in this MCS I want to create a workpiece. So this is our workpiece part 1 I am doing. This is our part 1. You can whatever you want to do name, you can do it. Okay, okay, I want to specify part. First I will hide this bonding body. So I think this is okay, you can do it. First I will hide bonding body, then I will create a specify part. Okay, then okay, or specify blank bonding body. Okay, then okay, you can see here our specify our part and blank has been specified. This is my cutter we are using now. Okay, so what type of cutter we can use as well as possible. So first we will analyze the part of distance, simple distance. We will click on over it. I want to specify that part like 280 mm. Okay, so 280 mm, this is 280 mm, and I want to specify this length. Okay, this length is 340. Okay, so how much is their minimum radius? So we will check minimum radius. Okay, minimum radius. Okay, so we will select all. Okay, then you can see here there is a 0.32 mm radius having. Which side? This point you can see here, this point is a 0.32 mm radius. Okay, so I don't need this types of minimum radius. I need just a cutter. I want to do cutter selection. Okay, so how can we do it? This is local radius, you can see here, full point not selection. Okay, local radius or minimum radius, where I can select it. Wait 1 minute. This is minimum radius. Okay, simple radius there is a 4 radius inside. Okay, so apply, cancel, or radius. I want to check it. Radius, what is the radius? There is a mouse electron curve, section curve. I want edge. No, this is the assembly part. Okay, so assembly part I will choose it. You can see there is a 4 mm radius. Okay, so now what is this? There is a 2 mm radius minimum. So first we are doing program for that things. Okay, after that I will go to the short radius. Okay, so this is our 4 mm radius. I will discuss about later. So I want to do first roughing program. Okay, so first we will choose 50 bull as you know, or I want to see in top. You can see here. You can just drag and drop it. How much you need to material. Okay, so we can work it as a 50 bull. This is my first or big length cutter, big diameter cutter. So we can use first 50 bull cutter. Okay, so what I have to do, I will come in workpiece, home, create operation. I want to do mill contour or cavity milling. I want to do. We will select program tool. I will select 50 bull. Okay, 50 bull R pointed I am using now. There is a workpiece, or I want to do roughing program. Okay, so first 50 bull rough. Okay, just click enter. Specify part, cut area, specify you need to just tangent faces. There is a tangent faces. Okay, no problem. And tangent faces, this face, back face has been selected. Okay, so just click on shift and deselect. Okay, or I will select this face I want, this face also, or this face. Just click it. Okay, or this face also, I want. Okay, so I think our area has been specified. Then okay, now what I have to do, there is a tool of 50 bull mm. Okay, tool axis ZM, you need to check all time. Okay, or I want to use follow parapary. 75% of the tool I am using. Step over, I want to do 0.2 depth of cut. Okay, cutting parameter we will come. I want to do first, I am using depth first. Okay, stop, I am using 0.3 for part side stop. I want to do 0.2 for part floor stop. Okay, this is a 50 bull rough program. That's why I am using the 0.2, 0.3. I want a tolerance 05 micron 50. I am using, or micron 50. Sorry, 0.05 micron 50. Okay, you can use it. Strategy don't need to change, or condition don't need to change anything. Okay, then okay, I will come into non-cutting move. Non-cutting move, there is a close area. I am using helical. Okay, no need to change anything like that. I want to open area. Open area, that is what why I am doing close area none, open area none. So you can see here there is a in this picture shown there is a open area as a linear. So open area I don't need anything. Suppose you want as a linear, you can do it. So first I will try. I will see today how is that working. There is open area or linear option. 50% of the tool, or height I want 0.5 mm. Okay, or there is a trim and extend. Okay, no problem. Retract, no retention. Transfer rapid, I will change it. Automatic plane 120 mm. Okay, between region, previous plane 0.2, 0.2 or 0.4, 0.5 I will take it. Okay, this is engage and do that. Okay, no problem. This is transfer type, previous plane I will use. Okay, 0.5. Engagement is okay. Then okay, I will specify feed rate. I want feed rate about 2000, or 50 bull R pointed. I am using RPM 950M in my company. I am using. Okay, so you can use here also. Then generate program. You can see there is a non-cutting move, but as a low non-cutting move you can see here. Then okay, no problem. Okay, they will be, we will click on OK, or otherwise we want to edit something. Cutting parameter I will come, strategy I will come. Okay, suppose I want to extend tool path. Okay, 30% of the tool I want to extend here. Okay, or generate the program. Now you can see there is a extend. Okay, our tool path has been something extend. Okay, so no problem. Now all material will be cleared in this program. Okay, you can see the time program. I want to see time. There is a 2 hour and 20 minutes. You can see 214 minutes. Then okay, good, no problem. Material is long, so this time is good. Okay, so now what I have to do, there is a I want to do roughing, semi finishing or program. Okay, so our rough has been completed as well as, so I want to do semi finishing program or finishing program. Okay, so what I have to do, I will come in create operation, z level profile program. Okay, I want to use section bool. I will use section bool program, workpiece, semi finishing. Okay, 216 bool semi finish. Okay, semi finish. Okay, cutting area I will define. This is my cutting area. You can see I will choose like tangent faces. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, then we will come in single faces, shift. No, okay, single face we will select it. Okay, no issue. Okay, add new set as well as. Okay, okay, we will add new set, one more. One more add new set. I want to add this also. You can add. Okay, okay, and okay. Okay, so level has been completed. Now I want to do depth of cut 0.1. Okay, this is our semi finishing program. Cutting parameter I will use mix cutting. Okay, extend at edges of the 55% of the tool, or I want to use 0.1 both side. Okay, part floor and side stock also. Okay, collection I'm using direction part. Okay, this is okay, or I want to use feed rate about 1600 or 2200 is the RPM for the 16 bool. Okay, this is okay problem. Okay, then we will generate only. Okay, so you can see here our program has been generated as well as very good looking. Okay, then okay, we will click it. Then we will copy and paste inside. Okay, I want to use finishing program. So this is a finishing program. You can see our cutting parameter. I will come in stock. I want 00. Okay, strategy same thing. Everything is same. Okay, so I will feed it only, or RPM I will change it. Okay, 3200 for 16 bool. Okay, and we will generate the program. You can see here. Now I want to do verify that part. Okay, so what I will do, tool workpiece, tool path, verify, 2D dynamic, fine. So our roughing and finishing program has been completed, as you can see here. So first, now I want to do floor finishing program. Okay, so there is a material of the floor. I will take period operation, or this is control area, or section bool I will use it for the floor finishing. Okay, so I want to use floor finishing. Okay, for 16 bool. For rough we can use also. Okay, point one, we can just stock the point one for floor rough. Okay, but I want to do floor finishing one time program, and we will tell to the operator, you can just shift about point one z, so we can manage it. 16 bool floor finishing. Okay, specify cut area, this is my area. Then okay, now area milling I'm using. Okay, come in editing, or I want to use follow paragraph, or tool flat 20% of the tool I'm using. Z level zigzag I will use. Okay, 20% of the tool we will use for. Okay, then okay, cutting parameter I will come, corner. Okay, stop, no need, 0 0. Okay, or speed and feed rate I will use 1200 or 3500. This is floor finishing. Okay, that's why I'm using, you can see here. So this is our floor finishing program. You can see, suppose I want to extend something, we will also extend from in strategy, extend at edges 55% of the tool. Then okay, cutting area I want to define also this, because I want to floor finish this also. Okay, you can use it. Okay, then generate. That's good, huh? That's very good finishing, you can see. Okay, this is my floor finishing program. Okay, now what I have to do, what is my plan? You can see here, this area has been roughed. Okay, so I want to do program about this area. So this is my semi-finished program. I will take copy or paste inside. Okay, so I want to use 10 flat for the wall. Okay, we will come, I want to specify area, we will delete this area. Okay, or I want to specify this area, you can use tangent faces for this area. Okay, you can see. Then okay, we will click, or I want to do 0.1 depth of cut. Okay, I want to use 10 10 mil. So where is the 10 mil? I will check it. 10 mil, there is a 10 mil. Okay, I want to do semi-finished program. Cutting parameter, I will come, I don't need to use, I will use climb cut, or I want to use this stagger ramp on part 3%. Then okay, sorry, I will use stock, point one is here. Okay, both side. Or RPM, what about RPM? There is a I want to use 1400 or 2000, you can use. Okay, 2000, or I want to use this 2800. Okay, this is my semi-finished program, that's why I'm using now. So I think ramp level not allowed. Okay, so why is coming like that? Extend, I don't need extend. Okay, so we'll come in cutting parameter, strategy, I don't need extend. Okay, now we will generate. This is our semi-finished program, you can see. That's looking very good, huh? Now I will generate also finishing program. Okay, so this is our rename. First we will take it 5 10 flat semi-finishing. Okay, so this is copy, paste it inside. Okay, or I want to use finishing program 0.25. You can use everything what you want. Stock option, I will come to 0 0. I don't need anything like that. Or RPM, I want to change 3500. Okay, then generate program. Okay, so this is our finishing program, you can see. Okay, so now what is my plan? I want to use floor finishing for that. Okay, so what I will do, I will take rename or if over 4 finish. Sorry, this is your finishing program. Sorry, 10 flat 6 10 flat finishing program. Okay, so finishing has been completed. Or now what I want to come in application or modeling. I will come. Okay, or I want in surface area or trim and extend. I will come it. Okay, so now what I have to do. There is something problem like that. Okay, edges you can select it. No, I cannot select. Okay, no problem. Will come in home. I want extrude option. Okay, so in extrude option I will come in assembly part or edge. I want to select it. Okay, like that. We will select. Okay. Mm. Okay, or I will factor sheet I want. Okay, 2 points I don't want. Okay, I have not got. We will select one more time, or this face. Okay, this face is okay. So what I want, I want sheet. First you need to define I want sheet. Okay, so this is our sheet. Z axis, Y axis, you can see. Okay, you can see here. Click on over it. This is fully fulfilled. Okay, I hope we don't need to select this. I will take close. Okay, extrude option I will come, and seat option. Okay, seat option I will come, or I want to use YC axis, or I want this curve. Okay, as well as possible I will extend it. Okay, this is also, or this is also. Okay, I hope our work has been completed now. We will click apply or close. Okay, I will come in application manufacturing. I will come. Okay, so now what I want to do, this is project program. I will just copy over it or paste inside. Okay, so I need to specify this part one more time also for this face. Okay, so I will take faces, this face. Okay, or okay. So what I'm going to do first, this is my, just click on over it or generate boot path. Okay, okay, accept paths. Okay, more time I will click on over it. I want to specify this face. Okay, then okay, or I am using tool section tool. Okay, no problem. Or cutting parameter about stop, no need. Okay, 00, no problem. I will just generate. This is our floor finishing program, as you can see here. Okay, then okay, I will rename 716 bull floor finish. Okay, now what I want to do, he will come in this phase. This extent I'll off it. Okay, so our work has been completed as a floor face. Okay, you can see here. Okay, in next video I will see how we can do this pocket program. Okay, so please watch till end.